How's the weather in Korea?
Hey, that's too bright, right?
You're right. It's too bright. Is it a new? Is it a new light? Okay. Oh, teacher Ellen asked you a while ago, how is the weather in Korea?
Sunny.
It's sunny. Oh my gosh, I love that. Mango yogurt jelly. Oh, it's delicious. Can you give me some? Give me some yogurt jelly.
Okay. Hey.
I'm ready.
2.
Oh, wow. It's so delicious. Can you show me? Can you show me again? Show me the jelly. How does it look like? One jelly. You show it in the camera. Ah, so there's white as well as yellow in it, right?
The white is the yogurt and the yellow is the mango.
Ah, so that's it. So that's why it's called a yogurt and mango. I saw your dad. So your dad said, hi, sir. Good evening. Home sweet home.
My mom is in the mountain. Whoa.
So your mom is hiking?
Yeah.
She's in the house. Yeah. So it means to say you and your dad alone in the house right now?
Yeah.
Okay. But is your mom going home tonight?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think your mom really enjoyed going to the mountain, right? How about you?
Yeah.
Why don't you go to the mountain today?
Wait.
Okay.
Mini water bottle.
Yeah, your mini water bottle. That's your favorite, right? Okay, yeah. So you can drink water now. So before we begin, you drink water first.
Ouch, it's too cold. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Can you get...
So, okay, I will drink too. Okay, thank you. That's okay now.
It's too cold.
Yeah, I only drink little because it's too cold. You don't have to drink everything. It's too cold. Refreshing.
Another mango jelly. They have another.
You will? Do you want... You mean to say, are you going to eat mango jelly again?
I mean, they have another mango jelly.
Oh, like two mango jellies?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I buy 2.
I was gonna say, I bought 2. I bought 2 mango jellies. Can you say again? I bought 2 mango jellies this morning. What? Okay. So now, are we ready to begin?
Okay.
Uh-huh. It's okay now?
Mentos.
You're asking your dad. You say, please. Mango jelly, please. Mentos,
No, I
please.
need Mentos.
Say please.
Hey.
Hey, please.
Hey.
Please.
Please. Okay. Wow, you have a Mentos. Okay. So when you're asking something to your dad, you say, please. Okay. Now, are we ready to study now? Ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you guess what are we going to study today?
No.
No. Okay. What about something that erupts and makes some hot magma?
Volcano.
A volcano. So yesterday you told me we are going to study about proton, neutron, electron, but I'm not familiar with that. So why don't we study about volcano instead? Do you like it?
No.
You don't like volcano?
No, yeah, a little bit.
A little bit. So, but neutron and electron are too hard to study. So, Teacher Allen, I'm not familiar with neutron and proton. What about tomorrow? We can talk about neutron and proton if you watch it on YouTube.
Yeah, I watch it.
Okay, so we can share it tomorrow. But today we are going to talk about volcano. Okay, so the question, Nick, is what is a volcano?
It's an eruption.
You're right. Okay, volcano can be a hill, a mountain, or it's another like group of land, a mass of land, which has an opening in the middle. Okay, that it's connected to the Earth's crust and it melts hot rock and it steam up and erupt. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
So again, Nick, what is a volcano? Would you like to read?
Hey.
Yes.
Where are you? I can see you.
Can you see me? Wait a minute. Okay. Here. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Hello. All right. So again, Nick, what is a volcano?
Volcano is an opening in the earth's crust from which hot or melted rock and steam erupt.
Okay, so this is a volcano. So from our Earth's crust, so there is a opening right there. So every time that it's steamed up, okay, or every time that it's very ready to erupt, so the magma will got out into the volcano, right? Are you scared of volcano, Nick?
Yeah,
A little bit. So, but don't worry, there are two types of volcanoes. So the volcanoes that active volcano, we call it active volcano, and inactive volcano. So what do you mean active and inactive? Active volcanoes are volcanoes that erupt, but inactive volcanoes are volcanoes that only form into a cone shape but doesn't erupt. Okay?
okay.
Again, Nick, what are the two types of volcanoes? The
Active volcano
and
inactive volcano.
Okay, what is an active volcano again? It's a
Erupt,
volcano. Inactive volcano?
not erupt.
Okay, does not erupt volcano. Okay, now these are the map of the world. What? Okay, as you can see the red one here, these are countries and continents that have a lot of volcanoes. Wow, can you see? There's many volcanoes on land
What
and
about in
in the water.
Korea?
In Korea, so there is a volcano. Volcano too. Can you see it? Here is Korea. Oh, there.
Wait. Iceland. What about Iceland?
Iceland. Oh, I cannot. I hear Iceland. Look at the Iceland. The whole Iceland is covered of volcanoes, right?
Yeah.
And even in the Philippines. Oh no, the Philippines are covered with volcanoes too. The Philippines is gone. There are a lot of volcanoes. Okay.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Australia only 2.
Yes, so Australia has 2 volcanoes only, right? Okay,
Yeah.
and the rest, so here, we call this from here, from Chile, Peru, to USA, Canada, and then going to Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Philippines, okay, and here in Indonesia, these are what you called as Pacific Ring of Fire. Ring of Fire. Okay, Pacific Ring of Fire, Nick, it means that these are like on the side of the Pacific Ocean and it covers a lot of volcanoes. Again, Nick, what do you call the volcanoes near the Pacific Ocean?
Do you know Tomba?
Tomba? No. What is that?
It's a volcano which is the biggest volcano.
Tonga. Like this one here?
Yeah. No,
Ah.
Tomba.
Tomba. Okay, later, don't worry. Teacher Allen will give some examples of volcanoes. Again, Nick, what do you call here with the volcanoes beside the Pacific Ocean? What is that?
What?
Pacific Ring.
Pacific Ring of Fire.
Okay, from here. So you see, and here is a Pacific Ocean, and beside, all right, on the Pacific Oceans, so that they have volcanoes. So they are inside the Pacific Ring of Fire. So imagine, Nick, if all these volcanoes will erupt, what will happen to us, right?
Yeah. What if all of the mountains in the world erupt?
Right,
All of the
at the
mountains.
same time. So all of the mountains and volcanoes will erupt at the same time. So we're gonna be so hot. Okay, so here is what it looks like in a volcano. So you can see this one. This is the plate. So even in the ocean, there are also volcanoes. Plate 1. Look at the ocean here. Okay, there is like a hot magma. Okay, let's start with here first. So these are the red one, the magma. Okay, and then here are the air. So the air are passing through. Okay, plate number 2. So this where place we go swimming. No, just joking. Okay, here. So plate number 2 is flat. Plate number 3 is some part of the volcano. So if this one very hot, will go up and go inside the volcano. Right? This is how it look like.
Yeah.
Are you scared?
No.
No. Okay. So remember, there are 2 kinds. There are volcanoes on land and volcanoes in the water, in the ocean. Okay, now let's come here now to Google. Let's go to Google. Any questions, Nick, here?
No.
Not yet? Okay, now let us know all about the 10 famous volcanoes around the world. Okay, top 10 famous volcanoes in the world. So let's begin. Okay, here is the first volcano. So Mount Helen in United States. Okay, this is Mount Helen. Wow, look at the volcano. So besides our like mountains with many eyes, and so suddenly it will explode into a hot lava, right?
Maybe the lava will not out. They have crater.
Actually, it will go out. It will be very strong explosion, right? It will push up, and then first the ice will be taken out, and after the ice will go out there, so there's the lava will fall off, right? Okay, right. So this is
Next.
Mount Helens in United States. This one is Krakatoa, Indonesia. Okay, Krakatoa is a volcanic island, and this is in Indonesia. So it means that it's an island, a mountain island. Wow, and some part of it, it's in the water. Half of the volcano is in the water. Krakatoa, Indonesia. Okay, now we also have volcanoes in Italy. Okay, so this is in Italy. Look at
Oh,
that.
just it looks like the clouds.
Maybe it explode. Pop. Poof.
Like pew, and go up.
Yeah, go up and no more. Okay, and there are a lot of houses near the volcano. Oh no.
But maybe no.
So maybe the water will get hot, right? And then here, the places, okay, once this volcano will explode, many houses will be covered into ashes. So sad. Okay. So we also have a friend. So two mountains in Italy. So another volcano in Italy. Again, second volcano. Here. Another place. Oh, it doesn't look like a volcano. Right?
Yeah, but where is it?
It looks like a mountain covered with ice.
But wait,
What?
do you see the gas around it? Maybe that.
I'm not sure if these are gas. Maybe it's a gas and like the sky.
No, maybe like and go a ring around it.
Maybe that's the sky. Okay. Now, aside from that, so in Italy, we also have mountain in Hawaii. Wow. So just like in lake. So here is a mountain. It's a very big opening. So this can be found in Hawaii. Okay. So now we go to Japan. So Mount Fuji. I think this one is my favorite. Mount Fuji in Japan, Tokyo.
Oh, it doesn't explode. Oh.
You're right. Okay. So this one is an inactive volcano.
Wait a minute.
Why?
What about this one? Maybe it's not a cloud. Maybe it's the gas around the house.
Might be, or it might be this one are like fogs, right? Fogs because it's too high. Mount Fuji is really a tall mountain. It's one of the tallest mountain in the world. Mount Fuji. Okay. Oh, here is the highest mountain in Japan. Mount Fuji. So it's very high. There's like fog. Hello, where are you going? Where did you go? Why?
They have another calling.
Someone is calling on the phone, so that's why. It's okay now. So how about here? In the Philippines, we also have mountain. So this is an active volcano. It erupts. The Mount Pinatubo. Okay, so this is the Philippines. So other people, they go swimming sometimes here. In the crater of the mountain. Okay, so if the Mount Pinatubo is not erupted yet, so other people, they go swimming. This water is very warm, like a hot spring. Okay. Now, any question?
No.
Martinique. Okay, Martinique. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at that.
It doesn't explode?
Not sure. Oh, it's an active volcano. It erupted in 1931, a long time ago. Okay, a long time ago. We are not sure if it will erupt again. Okay, active volcano. All right, and Indonesia. So look at that. Wow, it's too big. Like the crater or the mouth of the mountain is too big, right?
Maybe the mountain will.
Right. Wow, that is too loud. Maybe the mountain, well, if it erupt, it will even louder than that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, and in South America too. So another mountain. Wow, this one is so beautiful. Look at that. Here on the top, like on the peak of the mountain, it's covered with ice, and some part of it is not.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Up in the mountain, there are so many clouds.
You're right. Because maybe it's too cold. So it's too cold, and then the rest of that, it's formed into a cloud. So beautiful.
An active volcano?
Let us
What
see.
about the word?
It's an active volcano. Here is an active stratovolcano. Wow. Okay, so that's it for today. So how about in Korea? Let us know if what is the volcano in Korea. Can we search it?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's search volcano in South Korea. Halasan.
No.
Here? In Jeju Island?
No.
No, it's not?
Whoa. Yeah, and Seoul.
Oh, it says in Jeju Island, not in Seoul. Okay, here, this is a volcano in Korea.
Oh my gosh.
No. Jeju. Here. This is a volcano in Korea. Yes?
Yeah.
Have you seen this before? Or there are many people who come and visit Halasan Mountain, a volcano. Oh, look at this. It's so beautiful. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, it's so beautiful. There are a lot of flowers. Oh, and I think the weather is nice there. Okay. So now, Nick, time is over now. Do you enjoy the class tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how about tomorrow? What are we going to talk tomorrow?
tomorrow. 뭐 할 거야, 보기는? tomorrow?
You don't know? You're not sure? Nothing?
No. Maybe can we study about this one?
Study about? What do you see on YouTube last Saturday? Nothing? Water? We already talked about water, fire, air, clouds. It seems like everything we're already talk about. Machine. What about, can we talk about computers? No, you don't like it. So teacher Ellen cannot find anything. What?
Sports car.
Sports car. Okay, we can talk about sports car next time. Wow, that's gonna be interesting. I love sports car. Okay, now can you say goodbye to Teacher Ellen now? Goodbye and see you again tomorrow, okay? Have a good
Goodbye.